Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue while installing Microsoft Visual C++. You got the Assertion failed Vulkan error. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to re-register the installation service. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type msiexec space slash UNREGISTER. Click on OK. It will just deregister your installer service guys. Nothing you can able to see the changes guys. Just do it again. Right click on start icon and select run. In run window, now you just need to type the same way. You just need to type in after the slash REGSERVER reg server. Just need to type it and click on OK. Now we are going to re-register the installation service, and this way we have re-registered the services guys. Now you go ahead and try to install the Microsoft Visual C++ and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. I suggest you to download the latest installer from the official Microsoft website. You just need to scroll down. The second link is for 32-bit version of Windows. The third link is for 64-bit version of Windows. Just download depending on your Windows. In my case, I am using 64-bit, that's why I am downloading it. Now after downloading this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type msconfig. Click on OK. In here, you just need to select the services. Select hide all Microsoft services and now select disable all. We need to enable after the installation of Visual C++ guys. You just need to click on OK. Now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC guys. I'm not gonna restart my PC, just I'm gonna click on exit without restart. You just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, just open the Visual C++ installer and click on this agree and click on install and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. Before that, we need to enable all the services we disabled. You just need to click on OK msconfig and go to services. Now enable all and now select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC guys. I'm gonna do just exit without restart. And after restarting your PC, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. This is the official Microsoft Visual C++ troubleshooter. Click on download troubleshooter and then run it. Click on next. Are you having problem installing or uninstall a program? You just need to select installing. Now you just need to select the Microsoft Visual C++. Select it by your Windows bit guys. This is for 32-bit and this is 64-bit. You just need to select it and select next. And now click on yes, try uninstall. And if uninstall doesn't work, then select no, try other fixes. If the troubleshooter doesn't fix the issue, let's move on to the final solution guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type appwiz.cpl. Click on OK. Now in here, if you have lot of version with Microsoft Visual C++, then you need to delete everything guys. Just make sure you uninstall each and every Microsoft Visual C++ installed versions from here. You just need to delete it. Just click on uninstall one by one, and after doing this, close it off here and check my video description for this link used in my video. To download Microsoft Visual C++ all versions, you just need to scroll down click on the latest on right side. Now you just need to scroll down. The first link is for 32-bit version of Windows. The third link is for 64-bit version of Windows. Click on it. I'm using 64-bit version, that's why I'm clicking on it. After getting download done, click on it and install it, guys. Just open it, select next, and it will automatically install the relevant Visual C++ versions for you guys, and hopefully your issue has been resolved, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.